So these are the blanks that I cut out yesterday. We have our two abdomens. One I'm going to keep reasonably flat because that's going to be the top, and then the other one I need to add lines down the center because, you know,
Okay.
they have a bit of a ribbed stomach. And then we've got our neck bod, and that I'm going to fold in half. So that's going to become quite circular, hopefully. And then we've got our wings, which I need to remember to actually bend one of them the opposite way to the other.
What?
Front legs and our 4 back legs and our heads. That'll be the back part of the head. That'll be the front part of the head. But for now, heating up the forge. That is looking good already. So I think I'm gonna bung him in there and start taking some heats before the power goes out. Also, I have no idea what the what the footage is going to look like when the electricity goes out. That's just because of the country we live in. What fun! somewhere around here, I kind of realized that the 2-pound hammer is doing not enough. So I switch it up to a 4-pound hammer, which is heavier and shifted the metal a lot easier. It was then time for me to make a jig for the lower part of the body because ribbing it was proving to be a bit more tricky than expected, or just as tricky as expected. Thank you so much for watching this week's video. If you enjoyed it, smack that subscribe button, because then next week you'll be notified when we start assembling the body. And if we have time, we're going to start working on the face, because that is what's going to speak to us. But for now, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week. Sure, one of those will work.